Jack, don't you fucking do it, dude. Jack, hey. Yeah, that's what I thought, bitch. Dude, this motherfucker's mean. He'll fucking kill me. Anyway, what is up, guys? Snow Ferro here today, and I'm doing a day in the life of Snow Ferro. I haven't made any recent videos lately because I've been doing chores and stuff. I've recently gotten in trouble. Personal reason why. I'm not gonna tell you guys that. Anyway, it's gonna be a day in the life of Snow Ferro. And as you guys can tell, my voice is a little weird, and my nose is kind of snuffed. See, it's a little stuffy. And Jack. Stupid piggy. Don't like that pig. He's mean to me. But I don't really know what to do in this day in the life because there's nothing to do in my life really, except drum. But I have my mic plugged in, so I don't want to fucking bleed your or make your ears bleed or anything. So I'm just gonna chill. No, I'm gonna fucking do something fun. How about here? Hold on. Let me go inside my shop. And do something. What the fuck? Dragon! Dragon! See my little horsey dragon? Hey! Okay, I'm gonna show you guys my drum set. Again, but nothing really changed that much. Same old drum set. See? Still got this. Dude, I'm denting this motherfucking thing. Look at that. And these sticks, sorry Tyler Fisher if you're watching this, but these sticks that you got me for my birthday kind of suck. I literally got a pair. I got one pair earlier, and it already broke like that. See? Right, motherfucker. See? It was already broken, but like, I'm trying to break the whole thing up. Right. God damn it. Well, I probably shouldn't be doing that because there's a car right there. I don't want this piece flying off and hitting my grandma's car. Nice. Okay, so... Damn. Okay. Sorry that this is a mess. I'm just gonna... Oh, I know what to do. Hold on a second. There. I have nothing to set my phone. What should I do? I don't know where to put it, man. Right there. Okay, I'm gonna do a couple of things. Let me set up my mic. Just a little headphone mic. Boop. Okay. I'm gonna just do a couple of pull-ups. And then I'm gonna go do something else. I could do one more. One more. Not really tired. normally do this a lot, but it's kind of weird doing it on my camera. Because, yeah. And guys, this is only gonna be a 10-minute video. I might split it into 2 pieces because why? Because I have an old phone right now. My other phone is in use right now for emergencies only, or for somebody else using it for an emergency. So yeah, actually I haven't been using it for a while, as you guys can see on my last YouTube video. It was a couple months ago in school. Still there, or when I was still in school, but I'm not in school no more. I'm gonna go. Holy shit! What the fuck? Look at these big motherfuckers. What are you doing in my yard, bitch? Get away from my house. Dude, there's three fucking vultures by my house. Okay, I thought there was gonna be 4, but look. Damn. That's weird. I'm scared. Okay, there's no dogs in my house, in my room. Pick up my cup. Sorry if my room's a little mess, but like, I have St. Bernards and they come sleep in my room and it's fucking annoying. Where's my fidget spinner? Right here. Same old fidget spinner. Okay guys, watch this. I'm gonna do a little trick with my fidget. Watch, you go like this or something, right next to the camera. And it like morphs and shit. It's kind of cool. I can't really see it right now because the camera's facing towards me. But, yeah, look at that. It's pretty cool. I love this fidget spinner. I dropped it. You okay, fidget spinner? Here, I'll do it like that. I don't know how to do it. Saw it on Quincy's video. Nice. Okay. Look at that. That's fucking cool. Alright, I'm gonna put my fidget spinner somewhere. I was gonna put it in my pocket, but I was like, no, never mind. Don't wanna put it in my pocket right now. Look at, see how much different it is? In the shade, it's all like, it's like normal. Then when you go out in the sun, you can see like multiple pieces. See? Dude, that's trippy. Now it looks like it's spinning the other way. What the fuck is going on? That's fucking weird. Dude, that's weird. Okay, I'm done doing that. I only have 1 more minute to record, and I might split this into 2 pieces, but, yeah, I'm really not doing anything right now, so I'm gonna punch the budget bag. Bah. I could punch it harder. Hold on. I can set up, dude. Right there. That's all I'm gonna do, because I have to end the video soon. Actually, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, or day in the life, as you should call it. But anyway, I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like if you did, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. Peace.